Hi everyone, this is Anna. Thanks so much for being here with me today. I wanted to come in for a quick video here and tell you a really important tip I haven't shared lately, which is don't throw away your trash. What trash are you asking? The trash when you assemble your new stamp sets. I was putting together this new rubber stamp set here and it came to mind that I haven't shared lately about how I store my rubber stamps. When I was a young, inexperienced stamper, I used to do it a little bit differently, and then I came across this tip, and it's a game changer. It's fantastic. And for any of you who are not already doing this, wanted to make sure you know this. So I'm going to show you a tip for not throwing away your trash and storing those stamps. And then at the end, I also want to share a really great tip for how to label your rubber stamps, because it is also a game changer. So let's talk about this. When I get my rubber stamps, I peel that paper backing off. I pop all of these stamps out. I already peeled the paper backing off of that large piece, but here I'll show you. So I peel all the paper backing off and pop all these pieces out. At that point, they are ready to have the labels put on. And in the past, I would always throw away the trash. And by the trash, I mean this piece right here, because it's trash, right? We don't need this. But I know a lot of you already know this, but I'm sure at least a few of you out there haven't heard this. This is not trash, and here is why. When you flip that piece over, stick it foam side down so that it will stick to the back side of your case. It is a little puzzle for you to be able to do a quick visual check before you put your stamps away and see that every one of those stamps is in place. So ever since I heard this, this is the way I've been storing my stamps, and I would never go back to the other way, because with my quick visual check, I can see, oh, there must be a stamp still somewhere hiding in the mess on my craft table. I better find that before I put this stamp set away. Got it back? Okay, they're all there. Let's put this stamp set away. So don't throw away that trash if you have been. Like I said, I know many of you already know this. Now, let's look at a quick tip while we're here and talking about our new rubber stamp sets. Let's talk about a quick tip for labeling these stamps. So here is one of my new stamps from the Flowers of Friendship stamp set. And it needs the label on it. Here is my label sheet. And this is different from the way I used to do it and the way I know a lot of people probably still do. I'm going to peel this entire label off with the paper backing still attached. And I am going to very gently put this onto an acrylic block. Now I need to remove that paper backing, and you can do this with your fingernails, of course, but I like to use my Take Your Pick tool to lift up that edge with the piercing tip. You do not want to scratch your block with this, so make sure you keep that piercing tip on the label and not over here on the actual block at the corner. So remove those pieces, and now we can look through our block to look and see that we're lining it up perfectly. When you have it lined up perfectly, press down and lift it right back up. Now, I think I said this in case I didn't. When you put that label on the block, do not push very hard. If you press that as hard as you can, when you go to remove your stamp, it is going to be really hard to get off. So just press it down gently. Then when you get your stamp on there, it should lift off very easily. So I hope these tips are helpful. Remember, don't throw away your trash. That's a great tip for labeling your stamps. Thanks so much for being here with me today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and share this video. And if you need more information or want to visit my blog, click on the link in the video description below and you will be taken right there. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you again next time.